SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to stop your iPhone from deleting texts in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. The text messages on your iPhone, specifically the picture messages and video messages that you send in those messages, can take up a lot of space on your phone. There's a setting on your iPhone that can cause your phone to automatically delete some of these messages after a certain period of time, which is a helpful option if you're very concerned about your storage. But a lot of these messages that it deletes can be useful and something that you want, so if you've discovered that your iPhone is removing text that you actually needed, then you might want to change this option. You can stop your iPhone from deleting text by opening the Settings menu. You can then scroll down and select the Messages option from this screen, and then you can scroll down again until you find the Keep Messages option under Message History. Note that the amount of time that's indicated to the right of this is how long your iPhone is currently waiting before it automatically deletes text. So once you select this option, if you would like to stop your iPhone from ever deleting text messages, then you can choose the Forever option. Or if it's currently set to 30 days and you would like it to wait for a year instead before it deletes a message, then you can choose that. I'm going to choose the Forever option, which is going to prevent my iPhone from deleting any of my texts.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.